Riri urugari wa kiuteti uthiete na mbere na kwambatira mwerekereini wa githurano kinene kiria giukite, ateti na huraniri a iturwa itiganite matirakoma makiendia cioneki ciao iria ikumahotithia gugacagurwo githurano-ini kiu. Gukiri uguo, gavana wa Laikipia arauga ati kuri na anene amwe thirikari nĩmarathie mugaro na murugamo wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio iria mari rungu rwayo. Mateta make mokite riri kuri na andiki a karu amwe makoretwo makiendia murugamo wa kiama kia Jubilee kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Riri kiama giki ni kimwe kiria ciumbite ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja.
Do not assume that simply because you are a permanent secretary or principal secretary or because you are a cabinet secretary sitting in some posh office in Nairobi that you know the solutions in Laikipia or in Meru or in Nakuru or elsewhere. Politics is local.
Gavana Muriithi oritie ahuraniri a itura itiganite rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ĩno gwitikira ũiguano wa ciama uria urendekithia wamũrani wa ateti aria mari na igweta gukorwo nĩo mekuhuranĩra iturwa ici githurano-inĩ kiu kia mweri-inĩ wa kanana.
In all counties, we encourage all political parties wherever they are active to seek consensus as one way of arriving at candidates. But also, of course, where open nomination is a must, then it must be conducted with fairness so that all of us in the Azimio family are able to move forward.
Muriithi ni umwe wa aria maratetera iturwa cio na kiama kia PNU guku nake munini wake akihuranira giturwa gia seneta wa Laikipia na tigiti wa kiama kia Jubilee. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.